Hello everyone, welcome back to Recruitment Update channel. I hope you all are doing great and learning well. So guys, before starting today's video, if you have not watched our previous videos in this SQL series, then I highly recommend that you watch them first because all the videos in this series are connected to each other. I will attach all the previous videos in the I button and also in the description box below. And if you are new to this channel and learning SQL from beginner to advanced level, step by step, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos in this SQL series. Now, let's start today's topic without any delay. So, guys, in today's video, we are going to learn some more SQL operators in which we have like operator, then we have in operator, third one we have between, then we have is null, and last we have is not null. So let's see one by one. We will start with like operator. So suppose I ask you a question. Imagine your class has 100 students and I tell you, show me all students whose name start with the letter R. Okay. So will you check every name manually? Of course not. So in SQL, we can do this very easily using the like operator. So we will write the query like this. Select star from student db dot stu dot table name where student name, we will give the operator name like, and condition like this. We will simple execute it. Okay, so here you can see we have three records: Raghav, Rahul, and Riya. Why? Because all these name starts with the R. Okay. Now you may be wondering what this symbol means. Correct? So the symbol is called a wildcard character. What is it? Okay, this is wildcard character. Okay, so it means anything can come here. Think of it like a blank space that can contain any number of characters. For example, R and then wildcard character. Okay, so it means the name must start with R and after that anything is allowed. Like these results: Raghav, Rahul, and Riya. Now let's take another example. Suppose I want names ending with the letter A. So how will write the query? Select star from schema name stu dot table name. In this case, we will give wildcard character before A. Okay. Simple. We will select this query and execute it. Okay. Uh, here we will need to select the DB name. Now we will execute this. Okay. So here we have two records, Ria and Neha, because her name ends with A. Because before A, anything can come because of this wildcard character. Okay. Now suppose I want name containing with HA. Okay. So how we will write the query for this condition? Select star from schema name and where condition like. So here we will give HA in between wildcard character like this. So it means before HA and after HA anything can come. We will execute this. Here you can see Raghav. HA here in Raghav you can see and Neha also. Okay. So if the concept is clear till now, don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's move to the next operator, which is we have in operator. So let's do it. Okay, so suppose your manager asks, show me a students whose age is either 20 or 22. Okay, 20 or 22. So there are one way we can do like this, age equals 20 or age equals 22. This OR operator we already covered in our last video. Okay, but imagine if there are 10 values. So writing OR again and again becomes difficult to you. So this is where in operator helps. Okay, so how we will write this query? Select star from student details where student name in, we will give the bracket and 20 comma 22. Simple, we will execute this query. Sorry, here column name is different. We need to add age. We will simple select it and execute it. Okay, so here you can see we have three records, Raghav, Rahul and Riya, because their age either 20 or 22. So this is like give me records matching any values from the list, from this list. Here we can give more conditions if we have in the list like 23, 25, 28, and if we will execute and if we have the records then we will get the result. Currently we don't have the the data. Okay, now we will move to between operator. Okay, so suppose I want students whose age is between 20 and 22. Between 20 and 22. Okay, so we will write the query like this, select star from stu dot student details where is between 20 and 22. Here we will use this and operator as well. We will execute it. So this will give 20 to 22 records. Okay. here you can see we have Raghav, Rahul, Ria, and Tony. Raghav age is 20 and Rahul age is 22, Ria 20, and Tony is 21. So before understanding is null and is not null operator, let's insert a few more records because we don't have records related to is null and is not null. So here we will use insert statement. How we will write? We already covered in our last videos. Student db dot schema name dot table name values. Okay, we can give random like 6 for student id, and the name we can take Rohit. We can take age as 20 and student class we can take null. Okay, one or two records we can also insert. We can take 7 Simran, 21, and null. Okay, third record we can take 8, Karan, 24, and BCA. We will just simple execute the query, and here 3 rows affected. Now we will move to our operator, null operator is null. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so many beginners think null means 0, but that is not correct. Null means no value available. What is it? It means no value available, or we can say unknown value or missing data. Okay, so let's write the query. We will write select star from same stu dot student details where student class is null. Let's execute it. Here you can see we have two records here, Rohit and Simran, because their student class is null. So this is the example of is null operator. Now move to next operator, is not null. Now suppose we want students whose class information is available. So how we will write the query? Select star from stu dot student details where student class is not null. We will simple execute this query, and here you can see we will get all the records where we have student classes available. You can see Raghav, Rahul, Ria, Tony, Neha, and Karan. Okay, this is all about is not null. Okay, I hope we have covered all the operators. Okay, so let's quickly revise what we covered today. We covered like operator, done, then or in operator, then between operator, and then this is null operator and is not null. So in the next video, we will learn count function, sum function, average function. So for today, that's all. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, share this SQL series with your friends who want to learn SQL from scratch. Your support motivate us to continue creating more content and complete this SQL journey together. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, and keep growing. See you in the next video.